So hello everyone, welcome to TriRights Pack 365. So myself Sujit. So today in the session 2, we are going to cover what is variable, then identifier, then what is tokens, then how the memory will going to work in our Python. So before we are going to start the session 2, guys, if you have any doubts regarding your first session, you can directly contact to TriRights. Okay, so we are going to start this session too. So guys, what in tokens? So in the simplest way, we can say that if you are going to run a Python code, there are some essential things. Means without these essential thing, we cannot write a Python code. Okay, so we can say that token are the smallest element. Okay, that make up a Python code. Okay, so we can say that this our means okay, they are essential building blocks of code. Okay, means without tokens we cannot write. So there are five types of token. Okay, but we are going to see the four type of token in our main. Okay, so the first tokens are keywords. Okay, the second tokens are identifier, and the third tokens are variable, and the fourth one is data type. Okay, so we can say that without using this token we cannot create a single code in Python. Okay, so first we are going to see what is keyword. So guys, keyword is nothing but these are our in Python reserved word. Okay, or we can say that this is our built-in word for Python. Okay, so in Python built-in word, or we can say that keyword had special functionality, means we cannot change each and every keyword functionality. Okay, so I just write that particular thing. So keyword are reserved or built-in words in Python, and they have some special meaning. Okay, means we cannot we cannot change its we cannot change its functionality. Means we we should know how to use this keyword. Okay, so to show this result built-in keyword, there will be a command called your import keyword. Then we are going to print that particular thing. So now we are going to go through our VS code. In that VS code we are going to see how to import this keyword. Okay, so in Python there are 35 keyword. Okay, so first we need to import keyword. Means guys, whenever we are going to discuss here module and package in our upcoming session, I'll give you more clarification regarding your module and package. But as of now you just need to understand keyword, it is a package. Means from this keyword we need to import, because we need to show how many keywords that are available in Python. That's why I just use import. So guys, import is also a keyword. Okay, so now we are going to see. Now we need to use this module name and a function called your QW list. Okay, so if you want to know that particular length also, so in Python there will be a function called len, Len. So by the help of this we can find the length of any keyword, or based on the user requirement we can find. So if I'm going to run this Python code, now it gives me 35 keyword, and the length of this keyword will be 35. Means just see guys, it will be showing me all the 35 keyword. But guys, if you get look on that, among the 35, only 3 keyword in our title case. Okay, and all 32 remaining keyword in your lower case. Okay, guys, just see false, none, and true. These keywords are in our title case. Okay, so this is how we can find our keyword. In they might be asked you in the interview, write a code to find reserved keyword that are present in our Python. So you just write these two lines. Okay, so then the next one is, what is identifier, guys? Okay, means what is identifier? So guys, identifier is nothing but it is a name, guys. Okay, so I just want to tell that identifier are the name. Then guys, if I am saying that it is name, then which type of name? Okay, means in Python, if you are use this name to create, okay, so to create a variable name, okay, then function name, then class name, or any object name, okay, means user or defined object name, then it must be created by this identifier. Means if you are creating any this type of name, then you are going to use this identifier. Okay, so if you are going to use this identifier, then guys, there are some rules are there. Okay, means we need to identify that particular rules. Okay, so there are mainly three types of rules are there. So first one, it should not be, okay. It we are going to use this by your example also. Don't worry, guys. Okay, it should not starts with integer. Guys, what is integer data type? We are going to see in upcoming classes. But in general term, integer means 1 to 9, means combination of the number. Means if you are going to create a identifier, first start means first character of any identifier should not be a integer. Okay, then the second one, we cannot use any special character. Okay, I just tell you, we cannot use any special character as identifier. Okay, but we have only used this underscore. If you are using this underscore, then it's fine. Means expect this, means this is also a keyword, this is. So guys, these are our keywords that are available in Python. Sorry, special character. Okay, remaining underscore, we cannot we cannot use any keyword or any special character as our identifier. Okay, and the last point is, keyword are not used. So keyword are not used, guys, in the sense is, if you are using this keyword as your identifier, it will throwing an error. Okay, so now we are going to see some legal identifier and some illegal identifier. Okay, or we can say that valid. So guys, just I know, if I'm giving you a test like that, you need to find and give me, tell me the answer. Okay, so the first one is, guys, if I'm creating a identifier like this, guys, this is possible or not? So we can say that this is possible, because guys, we are just using our character and underscore. Means you need to check every condition. Means it will does not start with integer. Okay, one condition will be satisfied. We don't use any special character, only underscore will be used, so this is also satisfying. Then we don't use any keywords, means this is also satisfying. Just like that, you need to check every condition. Okay, so this is one of our valid identifier. Then the next one is, guys, you can use just like that, means character and integer, but first character should not be an integer. Means if you are creating this identifier, it's okay, guys. Okay, guys, it is also fine if you are using first character as underscore. Okay, it means after underscore you can give either integer, any character, it's fine. Okay, so these is our valid valid identifier that are available in Python. Means you can check by yourself also. Means based upon these three rules, you can check that particular things. Okay, guys. So I'll give some invalid keywords. Okay, or I can say that invalid identifier. So the first one is, guys, if you are giving one norm, so this is called a invalid identifiers. Okay, guys. Then the next one is, if I'm giving any keyword, guys, just see, guys, this is a for is a keyword. Okay, so we cannot use this as our identifier. Okay, then if somebody is wants to create like a identifier like this, so this is also a error, or we can say that invalid identifiers, because you are using a special character dollar sign. Means you cannot use any special character except our underscore. Okay, guys. So I hope you are guys clear on this particular things. Okay, so guys, if you have any doubt, you can contact TryRights. Okay, now, the next one is variable. Okay. So guys, what is variable? Okay. So now we are going to see. So guys, variable is nothing but it is a name. Okay. So it is the name to give for a memory location. So means if you are going to create a variable, okay, means for that particular variable, you are creating a memory location. Means for this memory location, if you want to use that particular thing, at that time you are using these variables. So then the next point we can say that this variable value might be changed. Okay, means if I'm creating, guys, a equal to 10, means as of now I just create a equal to 10. Might be in future if I'm creating a equal to 20, it's okay. Okay, so we cannot say that this is permanent. Okay, so the syntax for this variable name means you can give anything and value, but guys, if you are giving variable name, it must satisfying the identifiers rules. Means that particular three rules. Okay, based on that you need to provide. Okay, so guys, now we are going to give some example regarding our variables. Okay, means how to create that particular things and all. So guys, in the example, okay, so guys, I'm creating a one number equal to 5. Guys, just see, if I'm giving like that, it gives me a error because it will be not satisfying my identifier rules. Guys, just see, it throw you an error. Just see, syntax error means you cannot give this like of your variable name because it will be not satisfying you in your identifier rules. Okay, so guys, if I'm creating a valid variable, means I need to give a valid name and I will assign. Now if I'm trying to print this, I need to give that particular variable name. Guys, just see, it gives me 5. Now guys, if I am telling that for one memory location, I'll give that variable name. So to how to find a memory location in Python. So in Python, there will be a id function to find the memory location of any variable. Okay, now we are going to see what is the memory location of this norm. So by the help of this id function, and we just need to pass that particular variable name. Now if I'm going to run this code, it will be give me a, so guys, why it's throwing an error, not throwing an error. Yeah, guys, just see, it gives me a number. Okay, 14072 means in this memory location, this will going to create. Okay, this is how you can find a memory location for a variable. Okay, then the second point, guys, here I just create at a time one variable and assigning one value. But my requirement is I need to create multiple variable and assign multiple value at that particular one time. So how to do that? I'm going to tell you. So I just want to create var1, okay, var2 and var3. Means I'll create guys three variable. Now I need to assign also three variable. Means this is the simplest way you can create multiple variable at a time with assigning multiple value also. Okay, just guys see, it gives me all this output. So this is how we can print multiple variable and multiple value at a same time. Okay, then guys, they might be ask you like that. I want to create a variable with existing variable value. My requirement is guys, I need to create a variable, but I need to assign the value for that particular variable existing value. Means if I'm creating a variable a equal to 100, now my requirement is I need to create a new variable, but I don't want to assign a new value. I want to assign that previous variable value. So I just give that previous variable name. Now if I'm going to print this b, it gives me 100. Why? Because guys, it will be taking the reference of that particular previous variable. Guys, just see. Means based on the user requirement, you can modify your variable. Okay, guys, understand? Okay. The next example, guys. Guys, if I want to swap, means in the interview, you might be faced that write a program to swap two number without using third variable. Okay, means if they will be asked this type of question in Python is the simplest way to change two variable value. I just give you that example, don't worry guys. Okay, so I'll give a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Now my requirement will be a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. So to how to do that, I just create a and b. Means I'll just write a and b. Now I just use equal to operator and I will be assigning b comma a. So here how the controller guys will work, I want to tell you. Means in this a, I'll assigning b variable value just like that guys. Okay, if you see also here, I just assigning a value in b variable. Okay, guys, just see, if I'm just writing this line, it will be converting my swapping value will be done. Just like see, okay, before swapping and after swapping, we need to see that. Guys, just see. Okay, so yeah, before swapping, my a value will be 10 and my b value will be 20. But after the swapping will be happen, a value will be 20 and b value will be 10. Okay, by the help of your variable exchange, we can do that in our Python. So guys, till now, if you have any doubt, you can contact with TryRights. Okay, so that's all for this part one. Okay, the remaining variables and the how the Python memory will going to work, we are going to see in the part two of this session. Okay, so thanks for watching TryRight.